Righto, lads, what are your thoughts on beer? Hydrate, gotta hydrate. Say you take the humble family ride-on lawnmower and give it to an extremely bored bogan, who in turn lowers it, rips the guts out for something much bigger, and gives it a rub on the belly for good luck. You get one of these, a racing lawnmower. And if you're not intrigued or slightly scared like I am, you should be, because the driver of these little gremlins are absolute bonkers. So naturally, we entered ourselves into the All-Australian Lawnmower Racing Championships. And we're going to bring Kobe along, but after his last off-road expeditions, we decided to scrap that. Plus, I don't think our insurance covers him anymore. Before my highly anticipated lawnmower racing debut, I thought maybe I should find out a little bit more about the sport.
Broke shoulder blade, a couple of ribs, ended up in hospital for a few days.
Try not to happen to that today.
Ah.
Don't chicken out, just hold it. Just send it, yeah.
Nah, seriously though, Jacko, am I in a bit of strife here or what?
Yeah, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Really?
Yeah.
How dangerous is it?
Yeah, it's pretty dangerous. You can break bones.
How mental are you then?
No, I'm pretty.
These people are mental. I'm telling you now, I'm gonna hurt myself today. The nerves were starting to get to me. I had to clear my thoughts. I promise it's mud. That's where this show's come to, poo jokes. Jokes aside, it was time for me to get my head into the game, and luckily a family were kind enough to lend me their mower. I was so thankful. What's over? What's this one here? That's me brake, right? I need that one. Jesus Christ. Mental. Absolutely mental. And then the weather happened, and I thought maybe I'd gotten out of this one. Unfortunately, though, the directors informed me that we couldn't afford to come all this way for nothing. So, change of plans. The track's been ruined for rain, so we've got a drag race instead. 200 metres, cricket game at the end against a 16-year-old girl. What could possibly go wrong? My direct concern is me running into a tailgate of some sort of ute or... Oh, yeah, it's easy like that, yeah. This is quite possibly the stupidest thing I've ever done. These things aren't mowers, mate. These are dirt bikes, and they're not very natural to ride on. Amber over there, the girl I'm versing, she's apparently like the next big thing in Australian lawnmower racing. Just stayed home. This is Digger, my trusty lawnmower for the day, and I'm up against that. This is owned by 16-year-old Amber, and she's one of the best in the country. Best of luck. Well, Amber, they're not the mightiest of machines, but they sure as hell scared the absolute poops out of me. Amber, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you very much. Guys, You've just witnessed one of the most cowardly acts that you'll see this season. Me getting absolutely romped by a 16-year-old and living to tell the tale. I'm telling you right now, I will never be doing this again because that was scary.